Need to go in and tack these here. All right, we're gonna weld that one in over there. We've got it squared up and we've got it cut, so it should tack on there pretty good. And then this one is not so great, but we kind of run out of pipe, but I have enough that will fit in there that I can at least get tacked in. So I don't have it centered yet, but that's gonna be the first one. Those are my grandparents on my dad's side. I'll put my mom and dad on the other gate. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the same thing on the opposite side, but I don't think I'm gonna weld these in. I think I'll probably rivet them in case we ever wanna take that off. Over here, I'm gonna weld some square tubing, 5/8. So I'll CNC something that can fit in that square inch tubing and have a hole in the center that this will fit into. And then I'm also gonna come up with some sort of latch, probably something similar to what these gate bolts are gonna go into, but you'd have 2 square inch tubing where something would slide down between it. Probably just something at a right angle that would slide down between the 2 pieces of tubing to lock it if they wanted to, or latch it. So we've got the middle segments tacked on. We're gonna go back in and do as much welding on there as possible just to kind of make it better. They weren't the perfect cuts, but since I'm building this out of an old hang glider, I kind of having to pick and choose what will fit together. They're not all the same diameter and they're not all the same size or thickness, so it makes it difficult. So I have to find the parts that will fit. This is a hang glider that I crashed a couple years ago. So I showed you the one of my grandparents. This is gonna be my dad there, and then I'm gonna do another one on the other side of my mom, and then I'll make one of them together down here at the bottom.